Welcome to Earthling Cooks, everyone. So today we're going to do hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer. This is super simple, easier than doing it with boiling. I basically stopped boiling eggs now since I have this thing. All we need is the air fryer and a bowl of water, which I'll put some ice in when we take these out. For hard-boiled eggs, we're going to want 14 minutes. You could do a medium-boiled egg for about 11 to 12 minutes or a soft-boiled for about 9 to 10 minutes. All you got to do is put in however many eggs you want. I'm just going to cook 2 here. Just close it and turn it on. Come back in 14 minutes. Our timer just went off. We'll grab them out, put them in the ice water, and let them sit in the ice water for at least 7 minutes. And then we'll come back and check them out. Now that these have cooled down, let's go ahead and see how they turned out. Here's our final product, some nice perfectly cooked eggs. No green or anything, just a nice yellow center there. Have any questions, let me know. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.